us.
Town life. Wow, there are new career figures. I want to buy it. I want to buy it. Pilot. Let's learn about new professions. Let's put it car, toolkit, tire. An auto mechanic will handle all sorts of. Let's experience it together. 2 cars need to be fixed today. My car is broken. Can you help? Don't worry. Let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Drag the. Oh no! The wire is broken! Let's fix it! Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly! Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job!